Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
I've been using Omnisphere and Arcade for a while. Arcade is kind of getting picked up by a lot of the YouTube beat makers and Instagram beat makers, but it's actually phenomenal, and I've been using it. I found Arcade probably a year ago because through like a Facebook ad or Instagram ad, not Facebook, but Instagram ad, and I checked it out, and you pay like $10 a month, and you get like an incredible library of different sounds and sound patches to use, more in like a loop sense. I never use Arcade as like my instrument. I always, or like main instrument. I always use Arcade to, add something on top of a beat. I'll usually make the main melody, and then if I feel like it's missing something, I'll add Arcade on top of that. Like if I were to have this beat without that vocal, it would still be a Tyga type beat on West Coast, but it definitely ties it in more with that vocal sample.
Beat It AT, what up?
I mean, you don't need the vocal, but without it, the beat would sound just quite bare. So I would highly suggest you guys, everyone's already talks about Omnisphere, and everyone probably already has Omnisphere or a pirated version of Omnisphere or something of sorts. So I'm not going to sit here and, recommend Omnisphere because everyone kind of already knows that. But I will sit here and say you guys should invest in Arcade. I don't think there's a way for you guys to crack it. Just pay the $10 or $15, whatever it is, a month, and you guys will enjoy it. I promise. It's amazing. I probably use it on every single day, not on every beat, but on a lot of beats. So lots to choose from in there as well. And I think you guys can even make your own kind of like libraries in Arcade as well. It's great. So that's all I'm really gonna dive into about the VSTs and such. I figured that would, if there's someone out there that doesn't have it or needs something that's kind of cheap and just wants to add it on top of whatever they got, really recommend OutPut's Arcade. The OutPut has other VSTs and software too, as such as like Exhale. So check them out. I'm not sure if a lot of people are talking about it, but I've been noticing a little bit of popularity in it.